Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your Windows 10 operating system. So this will be a really fast and straightforward video. So what you need to do is you need to just click on your Windows icon and then click on this settings button here. So I'm going to just click on settings, and then you need to search for the accounts section or accounts tile and then click on it. So click on accounts tile. And then straight away on this right hand side you will be able to see this kind of image if you haven't set any image on your profile. And then when you scroll down you will have two options to upload the profile picture. One is by using your camera and the other is by browsing to your computer. So let's say I have a picture on my local computer. So I will just click on the second option, browse for one, and then I will choose an image which I want to set as my profile picture. So I will just click on this image which I want to set as my profile picture. And once I do that, you can see this profile picture is set, and then I can just close this window. And now once I go here on my account, you will be able to see this picture is set on my account. And then when I log out, so let me just log out or sign out of this Windows operating system, and once I try to log in, this picture is also visible here as my profile picture when I try to log in to my Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can set your profile picture on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.